this business like this house, our character are becoming too much. Everything should be come out and shake our waist. What do you guys to see? Imagine today that me and you, I go show you say I get nyan. You never get me food, get stress. People like say you never feel close to me again. Today we shall see. This chair, so I go set one. You nyan should be.
You are a failure.